Hey guys, it is See My Curls, and today you are going to see my curls getting washed. So I'm taking my hair out of its plastic bag. It is freshly pre-pooed. I set it in the dryer. If you want to see how I pre-poo my hair, I have a video. I will link it in the cards. Go ahead and watch that. So as you see, I'm just going to go ahead and take out the twist in my hair and wet my hair. I'm using warm water. I have low porosity hair, so warm water is the best way for me to work that water into my hair. If you do not know what low porosity means, it means that my hair's cuticle is closed shut. So in order for it to absorb moisture, it needs heat. The heat helps open up that cuticle. So I'm taking the Main Choice Exotic Kool-Aid shampoo. It is a nice minty shampoo. So I just came out of a protective style. This is after my faux locks. So I needed a good cleanse. This is also a pretty cleansing shampoo, but it still leaves your hair moisturized. So it comes in that cute little nozzle. Nozzle kind of works, but my hair was dirty. So I just had to keep applying shampoo because I'm a two wash kind of girl because my hair gets a lot of buildup. As I said, I'm low porosity. So low porosity is prone for buildup because our cuticle is closed shut. So a lot of the time the product's just sitting on our hair. It's not really getting absorbed sometimes. So you just see me massaging my scalp with my fingertips, and after I finish that section, I'm going to go ahead and clip it up, and then I will go ahead and shampoo my other section. I like to work into sections of halves. It's just easier for me. When my hair was shorter, I used to do fours, but as my hair got longer, that was a little tedious, and I feel like without sections, I don't get my hair thoroughly. So the sections with thick hair, you need it, baby. You need it. So you just see me massaging my hair, working it back into it. And once I am finished that, I'm going to go ahead and pin it up. And we're going to rinse it out section by section. No curl left behind. Don't forget that one curl in the back, because there's always that one curl in the back that just likes to hang. So now I'm just going and rinsing out my shampoo. Make sure you are being thorough with rinsing out shampoo. When my biggest problem is because my hair is so thick, sometimes the shampoo gets left in my hair, which is why I work in sections, which is an easier way for me to make sure I'm getting everything out. Sometimes you'll see me break up my hair into little sections to make sure I'm getting at every piece of my hair to make sure I'm rinsing stuff out. So now that my hair is rinsed, we are going to do an apple cider vinegar rinse. I'm checking my hair for soap right now to make sure I washed out all the shampoo, because like I said, I got thick hair. So a lot of the times I have to double check because there'll still be some shampoo or conditioner in my hair. So that is my apple cider vinegar rinse. It is 50% water, 50% apple cider vinegar with the mother. The reason why I do apple cider vinegar rinses is because it is amazing with helping control dandruff. What it does is it is a pH balancer, so it is helping bring your scalp back to balance. And when you get dandruff, it is because your scalp is not balanced. So it is also a clarifying agent, but it's a gentle clarifier, so it's going to help really make sure your scalp gets clean. I just love it overall. If you guys want to know all the benefits of apple cider vinegar, let me know if you want a video by putting it in the comments. But as you see, I'm just working it in while singing my jams. Because wash day, you have to have a fire playlist. And I will say, as you are applying this treatment, be careful with keeping your head tilted, because the vinegar will get in your eyes and it will burn. So try to keep your head tilted back as much as you can. Like, it might seem like I'm looking a little crazy, but it's because I don't want vinegar to get in my eye. So after I finished applying it both, you guys see my nails had jewels, and it was literally pulling at my hair. I literally popped them off when I was doing my wash and go after this. Like, I was over it. So now I'm just rinsing out the vinegar. You're going to see that I'm thoroughly going to make sure that this stuff is out of my hair, because vinegar is not something you want to just sit in your hair. It will eat your hair, guys. So I am breaking my hair into sections and making sure it gets hit with that shower head water, one by one, because that's what you gotta do, honestly, with all hair when you do a vinegar rinse, but especially with thick hair. So once I have everything rinsed out, just go ahead and get the other section, and I've been doing vinegar rinses for a good year now. I do think they make a difference with my dandruff. It helps keep everything under control. I don't get dandruff flare-ups as much. So after I finish that, I'm just going to go back in with my shampoo. I do 2 shampoos in this channel, guys. I'm not a one shampoo kind of girl. Never was, never will be. I think when I first started, I tried one shampooing and it just never got my hair clean enough. That's the thing. Like, as you're doing your natural hair journey, those, like, because I always used to do 2 shampoos, even when my hair was relaxed. But, like, people would say, oh, it's shampoo so drying for your hair. So, like, I tried the whole co-wash thing, but then I realized I had low porosity hair. And you'll see me using a misting bottle just to re-wet my hair as I'm doing this, because I do work in sections, so sometimes my sections get a little dry. So that's just a tip when you work in sections. But as I was saying, a lot of the times when you're switching from relaxed or whatever damaged hair to natural, you'll want to switch your whole routine. And, like, it's really not that necessary. Like, adapt it as you go, because that can kind of freak you out. Just trying a completely new routine and then your hair is going to freak out. I know when I was co-washing, my scalp was not happy. Like, my scalp had so much buildup, y'all. And then I realized I just got a shampoo every week. So you'll see my hair after the shampoo and apple cider vinegar rinses. The curls are popping. It is clean. It's looking healthy and moisturized. And you'll see me checking for shampoo. There's some shampoo right there, so I'm going to just go ahead and get it out because, like I said, it will just stay in my hair, y'all. So I'm using the Main Choice Easy on the Curls conditioner. I like this conditioner. It smells good. It's easier to work in, and it's super moisturizing. I do conditioner and a deep conditioner. I am extra. I don't care. It's my hair routine. But I find this necessary because it just helps keep the moisture in my hair the way I like it. When I tried eliminating the conditioner and just going straight into deep conditioning, my hair wasn't as moisturized. My hair just needs that extra oomph. As you see, my hair is also color treated. So that might, I just scratched myself real bad. So color treated might have something to do with why my hair requires a lot more moisture, but my hair is just always eating products. Like, my hair just likes to eat stuff. It's low porosity, but, like, it needs its food. It needs its products. It needs its moisture. That's why heat is my best friend. Whenever I'm doing products like this, you're always going to see me use heat as much as possible because my hair needs it. So I'm just detangling. That's why I really use conditioner, because it's another time for me to detangle, because I don't really brush my hair throughout the week. So when I'm washing it, these are the times where I get all those knots out. So after I went in with my shower comb, because I tried the green comb, but I'm tender-headed, y'all. So I did my shower comb, then I did my green comb to make sure it was thoroughly detangled. And I'm just clipping it up, and you're going to see me do the same thing on the other side. The reason why I did the shower comb first and then the big wide tooth green comb is because, like I said at the beginning of the video, this is after protective style. So if you are familiar with protective styling, you know when you put your hair away for 2 weeks to 3 weeks, you're going to have a lot of shedding. A lot. So you want to make sure you get all that shed hair out. And you're going to see me wincing a lot because I'm tender-headed and I have been detangling my hair all day at this point. And my scalp gets tender, y'all. Like, it hurts. Like, I promise y'all, I'm not just being dramatic. So now I'm just rinsing out my hair, getting that conditioner out. And after I get all of that out, we're going to go straight in with my deep conditioner. If I wasn't recording, I would leave that conditioner in while I washed my body. But that's not what we're doing right now. I'm going to wash my body at the end. So now I'm applying the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Hair Mask. This is one of their older lines, but the mask is one of the newer products. And I love this mask. If you know that line, you know it smells amazing. It's a nice, thick, and creamy one. You're going to see me applying some oil to help intensify that whole thing. Sorry, my group chat just hit me. But yeah, if you guys want to know why I do that, I can also make a video on how I deep condition and why I find it important to add oils to my deep condition. But a little bit more about the deep conditioner. Coconut curl and hibiscus. It is good at defining my curls. It gives my hair the moisture. It also has a bit of protein in it. So it's good at giving your hair that good zap. You'll have a nice in between moisture and protein balance. And coming out of a protective style, this is exactly what my hair needed. And that oil honestly just helps benefit, like it helps the benefits even more. It helps seal in that moisture. It helps produce extra shine. Some of the oils that are in that combination are like avocado and almond oil. So you're just going to see me repeating the steps to the other side. And yeah, like, I'm just going to keep singing. I'm going to show y'all how long my hair is because I was like, oh my gosh, my hair looks so long when it's wet. So I'm going to just go ahead and apply that deep conditioner. And then you're going to see me split that section into half to make sure that everything's thoroughly applied. Because I used to do it half and half. And I would find that like the in-betweens weren't getting thoroughly applied with the deep conditioner. So by doing it into quadrants for this part, every piece of your hair is getting that deep conditioner and that oil treatment. So after I have combed through everything and twisted it up, you're going to see me unraveling my twist, and I'm going to go ahead and put my hair into a shower cap. And then I'm going to sit under the dryer for 30 minutes and let this deep conditioner really work its magic. Because with low porosity hair, you see it's sitting on my hair right now, it needs heat so that it can really absorb what's going on. So that's what we're about to go do. I'm going to work that extra stuff into my baby hairs, and then we're going to put on this cap. I got a jumbo cap because normally my hair don't fit in a cap, but that's a jumbo cap. So yeah, I will see you guys back after these 30 minutes. So it's been 30 minutes, and now you can see like my hair absorbed it. Like it is not just a white residue anymore. For the most part, my hair absorbed all of that deep conditioner. So now we're just going to start rinsing everything out. And my hair felt so moisturized, like crazy moisturized, crazy soft, crazy smooth. My curls were happy. And deep conditioners are honestly like the easiest thing for me to rinse out. And just look at my hair, like my curls are getting a lot more defined. This is why I say I have type 4 hair, because like sometimes my hair really doesn't really look super defined. But I don't know, that's just my opinion. Let me know what you think, how my hair looks when it's wet. I think it looks pretty type 4-ish when it's wet. So this is a new thing I've been doing. I like to apply my leave-ins in the shower. Why? Because I have low porosity hair. So the fact that my cuticle is already open just helps that leave-in go right in and do what it's supposed to do while the cuticle is open, instead of me waiting to dry my hair and have that cuticle shut and me having to try to work everything back in. So this is like, you see everything is getting worked right in. It's not sitting on my hair too bad. And as I twist up my hair is absorbing it. So like steps to get your hair to absorb product, obviously you want to comb it in. You also want to just squeeze it in with your hands because that also helps create heat, and twisting it in also helps as well. So this is the last section. I'm using the Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk, I want to say. Everything that I used will be in my description box. But that is my clean hair, y'all. And I'm going to go ahead and put this in a shower cap because I'm about to do a wash and go. If you want to see how that wash and go goes, watch the next video because it's finna be lit. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you are subscribed, like, comment, share, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.